What's up, guys? What's up? Hello, I'm Chocho and I'm a health personal. Thank you so much for coming back if you're an old subscriber. And if you're a new subscriber, I wish I could give you the hack right there. Yeah. So today we are talking all about grooming. Yes. Let's gossip a little about it, guys. So a subscriber told me to do this, and I think it's interesting. Like, when it comes to grooming and it comes to the men, like I always talk about the ladies. Today we are talking about men here, not health, but lifestyle that really leads to good health. It's just that money is like the earth, and we've been placed right in, and whatever we do, we have to use money. But the trick is not to buy the expensive stuff, but just affordable, yeah, elegant, and non-allergic. Yes, like something that really works for you. Apart from eating healthy, like, yeah, you want to eat healthy, you do the nutritional dieting stuff and all that, you exercise. But what of a routine? You need to get a routine that can make you look dapper, guys. Yes, we ladies like you looking stylish, all classy, very chic, with good colors, please, with good colors. Here, let's dive into the rules of the engagement. Yes, so visit the trichologist. Yeah, it sounds big, eh? It's just the barber, a beautician, a cosmetologist, someone who can groom you quite well, especially with your hair, a hairstylist. Like, just visit the barber like 3 times, twice a week, and look dapper in that hair. Not some bushy, smelly, yeah, that's the word, hair. Like, no, guys, we want you, when we pass, like when we move close to you, we want the hair scent to attract us in a way, those kind of trimmings inside, and you feel so comfortable with it. If you want to color it, if you want to do that pineapple thing and you are so confident in it, why not? Like YOLO, we only live once. Yes, so just make sure you do that. Oh gosh, and the woody scent kills me. Like, signature, create your own signature scent. Like, don't go and mix like the mixologist, please. Don't go mixing 5 or 10 sprays or perfumes, and no, please, we don't want that. Just pick a 1 or 2 kind of perfumes or cologne that when you pass, like, oh god, the lady will have that, smell the roses. Yes, and enjoy it, and that really gives you a point. Like, it keeps us attracted to you some way. Lots of people, I don't like harsh scents, but people do. Like, what really works for you, just go ahead with it. Use aftershaves, like, buy them. Yes, use great scented aftershaves, something that can attract, like, yeah, something sweet, scenty, roses, strawberry. Like, there are a whole lot in town. I'm sure anywhere you go, you get the rice. Then something really affordable. Always remember, something elegant and something non-allergic, something that works for you. That's all. Once met a guy with this yellow teeth, jeez, it just broke my heart. Like, really. So guys, the toothbrush is there to brush your teeth. There's electric, there's manual. We those who use any other. Like, just try it. Make sure you brush your teeth. That smell, like, get that stink out. You can't kiss or nibble on your lips if you don't care for your buccal cavity. No. So make sure to visit the dentist at least thrice in the year. Like, get your teeth done, clear those smelly stuff, those debris, those yellowish stuff, and make sure to always keep it clean. Like, smile wide and let us love it. Let your smile come out, like, yeah, so that we say, oh gosh, this guy is damn sweet. Yes. Don't think the ladies only need to max up. Like, do max up. Choose something that works for you, the oats, the cucumber, something that will soften those sweet faces, those nice looking, with the beard and all that. Like, the beard, like, we love it. Yeah, people do. If you don't, like, yeah, so just make sure to max out. It helps a lot. Like, just exfoliating the dead skin, just taking it off, and you become fresh. You don't want to be touching your face and it's all bumpy and rough. Come on, we want to play with your cheeks and touch it. And remember, you can use toothbrush to scrub behind the ears. Like, we do love going there. Like, I don't know about the other ladies, but yeah, we do love going there. So make sure to scrub it. Like, just make sure it goes off. It sometimes get black, sometimes and very dirty. So just use a toothbrush and scrub it off and make sure it's always clean, because you sometimes apply the perfumes there, you know. Yeah, ladies, if you're really with me on this, like, give a thumbs up right down there at the comment section. And Charlie, sweethearts, like, add if you have to. Like, this guy sometimes need more of that. Sweaty, stinky, scaly foot is always a turn off. Like, when we see it, it really puts us off. So it's very important, like so essential, to visit the cosmetologist, because you can have pedicure, manicure. Don't think only ladies need that. No, guys, you also need it. It softens your feet. It makes it like you're always caring for getting money. You're standing for long periods, you're sitting for long periods. You need to pamper your foot as well, guys. So please make sure you pamper your foot. Go into that cosmetologist, like visit any beautician, and always remember, like, elegant, non-allergic and affordable. Just choose products. You can even use like salt and water to just make it softer, so that you use, people do even use stones, some hard stones, and they use it to rock that side. It makes them feel much comfortable, and that's what we like. We ladies love nice things. You want to attract a lady, these are some great points. Yes, always eating healthy meal and pampering yourself, making your body feel happy. Like, pamper your feet, let it feel happy as well. So always remember, affordable, elegant, and non-allergic. Really what works for you. Don't buy any extraordinary stuff like the designers. You need to have one or two of designer perfumes, like something. Go to some classy places just to know you are working and enjoying the money. Guys, Charlie, you don't have to let someone come and enjoy your money for you. You really don't need to let others enjoy your money for you. Also enjoy it as well. So thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. So remember to comment, guys, subscribe, like, and share this page. Thank you.